Hello student. Today's topic is online analytical processing from data warehousing. And in this topic we will cover introduction, history of OLAP, OLAP cubes, OLAP operations, and advantages or disadvantages. Introduction to OLAP. Online analytical processing is a computer processing that enable a user to easily and selectively extract and view data from different points of view. OLAP allow user to analyze database information from multiple database system at one time. OLAP के जरिए हम डिफरेंट डाटाबेस से अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन को एनालाइज कर सकते हैं। ये इजी वे है, कंप्यूटराइज्ड वे है इंफॉर्मेशन को सिलेक्टिवली एक्सट्रैक्ट करने का। हिस्ट्री। In 1993, EF-COD came up with team online analytical processing and proposed 12 criteria to define an OLAP database. He is the person who gives the actual face of OLAP. The team OLAP seems perfect to describe databases designed to facilitate decision making in an organization. The first product that performed OLAP query was Express, which was released in 1970s and acquired by Oracle in 1995 from information. Some popular OLAP server software program includes Oracle Express Server, Hyperion Solutions, Acebase. OLAP processing is often used for data mining. OLAP products are typically designed for multiple user environments with the cost of the software based on the number of users. Here is the following diagram for OLAP, where users use application query for extract of information. In this diagram we are having source data, SQL Server, data warehouse, and OLAP cubes. OLAP cube. An OLAP cube is a data structure that allow fast analysis of data. The arrangement of data into cubes overcome a limitation of relational database. The OLAP cube consists of numeric fact called measure, which are categorized by dimensions. Here is the structure of OLAP cube, where data derived from data warehouse and load into OLAP server and assessed by different tool available for online processing. It is called physical multi-dimensional cubes. OLTP, online transaction processing, versus OLAP, online analytical processing. It includes source of data, purpose of data, queries, processing speed, space requirement, database design, backup, and recovery. Operation of OLAP. There are different kind of operation which we can perform in OLAP. Roll up, drill down, slice, dice, pivot, drill across, and drill through. Roll up. It takes the current aggregation level of fact value and does a further aggregation on one or more of dimension. Equivalent to doing group by to this dimension by using attribute hierarchy. Here is the following query for, that is used for roll up, drill down. It summarizes data at lower level of dimension hierarchy. It increase in number of dimension, add new headers. Here is the following diagram for drill down. Slice. It performs a selection on one dimension of given cube, sets one or more dimension to specific value and keep a subset of dimension for selected value. We can using slice we can select information from huge amount of values. Dice. It defines a subcube by performing a selection of one or more dimension. Refers to range select condition on one dimension or to select condition on more than one dimension. It reduces the number of member value of one or more dimension. Pivot. It rotates a data axis to view of the data from different perspective. Group data with different dimension. Drill across and drill through. Drill across accesses more than one fact table that is linked by common dimension. It combines cube that share one or more dimension. Drill through. Drill down to the bottom level of data cube down to its back and relational table. Applications. It is used in financial application, marketing and sales application, and business modeling. Advantages. Consistency of information and calculations. What if scenario. It allows manager to pull down data from an OLAP database in bold or specific term. OLAP create a single platform for all the information and business need. Planning, budgeting, forecasting, reporting and analysis. Disadvantage. It is pre-modeling, great dependence on IT, slow in reacting. Purpose of OLAP. The main purpose of OLAP is to generate automated report for human views. It summarizes information from large volume database. Conclusion. OLAP is significant improvement over query system. It is an interactive system to show different summaries of multidimensional data by interactively selecting and attributes in a multidimensional data cubes. And thanks for today's topic.